Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and right after the market opening, we can see that there is pressure on the chart of gold. There is not extreme selling pressure, but we can still see that gold is going down. In a previous video on Saturday, we discussed about the possible trading opportunities, and the levels are still the same. We also discussed about the resistance at 2050 because of strong presence of contracts at 2050, and as a result of which gold is going down right now. So if you have a sell, then you can be on the trade, but keep in mind CPI is coming on Thursday. So till then, try to stick to level trading only. My dear friends, before I proceed with the video, I have a request. I have a serious concern that I would like to address, and that is Instagram. I was never very active on social media, so my Instagram account, okay, was little bit, okay, dead. Still, my wife used to post these pictures from time to time. So this is my real Instagram account. You can see the trader next door, only 736 followers. The problem is not the number of followers. The problem is that there are scams going on in my name. I have already told you guys that there are lots of scammers in Telegram in my name, but recently I have come to notice about this scam on Instagram as well. This is a scam account, my dear friend. This is a scammer, and the problem is that he is extracting money in my name. He is charging around $1,000 for signal service, and I do not have any such services. And the funny part is that the scam account has more followers than the real account, and you can see that he is also posting pictures of my wife, me, and everything, okay, on here as well. So this is my request to everyone. Please follow the real account so that you can report the scam account and save the innocent people who are really looking for me. You can see the details on the screen. You will also find the links in the description. I will paste everything. Follow the real account and then go to the fake account, and please report it to the Instagram so that they can remove the scam that is going on in my name. Because see, people just posting my pictures, people posting photos, I do not have any problem. But he is extracting money, and not few dollars. Okay, he is extracting thousands of dollars in my name from the innocent people. So as a result, please, my dear friend, this is my request. In the next few days also, I may be repeating just to save the innocent people, so please don't mind. Okay, so let's talk about gold right now. So we can see that on the chart of DXY, dollar index is trying to recover. There is not much volatility. Market is behaving like a typical Monday market. Okay, so here you can see that it has formed a green candle here, but if we look at the trend right now, we do not have any trend present as of now. Okay, so DXY may be continuing the upside. DXY will be heading towards the 103 level. Okay, and our duty will be to observe the market at 103.10 level. And if it breaks 103 level, then we can expect that DXY will be heading towards the next resistance of 104 to 104.50. And as I have already mentioned in my earlier video, that if DXY drops, then the previous low, the previous significant low of 100.60 will be working as the support for the market. So now let's see how the market reacts. It's the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see, my dear friends, the levels that I marked on Saturday are still very much valid. We discussed about the important support of 2015 to 2017. I will not go into details. I do not want to bore you again. Okay, so my dear friend, 2015, 2017 is the best support on the chart of gold, but chances of market hitting the level of 201517 are very less. But still, if market goes to the level, if market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, this is a level where we can expect the market to give us a bounce. But before 2015 2017, okay, we also have 2024. Okay, we also have 2024 2025 as the support. Then we also discuss about 2030. or 2031. Around 2030, 2031 also we have support. So right now we can see market is standing at 2036. This is the current market price here. 2036, 2037 was also a previous support, and you can see right now market is already standing it. Okay, so wait for some time, at least wait till the European session. Okay, let the market settle. Okay, in case you see the market has come to 2031, 2030 level, switch to 15 minutes time frame. If you see market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position and you can expect 30 to 40 pips. But on the other hand, if you see that market is standing at 2030 with a big red candle on 15 minutes time frame, it is a clear cut indication that the selling pressure is too high. In that case, try to avoid it. If you have a sell, continue with the sell position. I already have a sell. Okay, then wait for the market to hit 2024, 2025 level. Okay, see, your analysis should always be on higher time frame because higher time frames provide stability. But for precise entry, for proper entry, okay, you should always enter on a lower time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame is little unstable, too much noise is there, but 15 minutes time frame is a good one. Okay, so observe the market on 15 minutes time frame while entering. So on the chart of gold right now, we have three support levels. The best one is 201517. 202425 is also there, medium level, and 203031 is also there, medium. Okay, so if the selling pressure is not high, then only you can expect a bounce of 30-40 pips. Clear? And the resistance level or the selling opportunities that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. The best level is around 2080. It can be 2078 also, 79 also. Keep in mind, these are zones in a market. Okay, market, the levels always work as zones. So if market goes up, then obviously we can expect 2080 to be as resistance. But 2080, 2075, whatever it is, it's far away, बहुत दूर है. Okay, so before 2080 we have 2061 to 2065, and we also have 2050. So we can say that 2050 is the first resistance in front of us. During the day, if market goes up, observe the market on 2050, and if market reverses, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, you will get the confirmation that yes, selling pressure is there and you can hit the sell button. Okay, you can also see I have also marked 2056, but it's my personal level. Okay, if you want, then you can also look for a sell opportunity around 2055, 2056 as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay, some other opportunities also that I do not want to discuss it because see, while recording a video, especially I record in the Asian session, I also need to think about the beginners also. For example, okay, for example, where if market breaks, okay, if market breaks 2030, if you're a scalper, if you have the risk appetite, okay, you can also look for a quick sell below 2030 and you can exit by 2026. Okay, those are also trading opportunities. For, or if market breaks 2023, for example, if market breaks this level, then you can also look for a sell below this for 30-40 pips. So in between the levels also there are multiple trading opportunities, but for safety purpose I do not recommend everything. Okay, I only recommend those levels that I think that yes, you can make 30 to 40 pips. Okay, safety is more important and we are traders, not gamblers. So yes, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and keep in mind no level is permanent, but yes, our capital is limited. So get the confirmation first, then only place the order, and please keep my request for Instagram and save yourself and the innocent people.